Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this 90s Britney Spears inspired makeup vlog. This was Teen Award makeup, red carpet basically, and yeah, it turned out to be really pretty. Off camera, I did my foundation, a little bit of cream bronzer, and concealer with powder. That's pretty much it. This is my regular routine that I do every single time. I don't really want to dive into this routine. I guess you can use any products available, the one that you like. I have my Art-visage sculptor palette, and I think we're going to add a little bit of nose contour. I'm not really sure that Britney has it, but most of the time she does. That is the main reason I'm going to be focusing on an angle brush and this cool tone brown. Focus on the color really close to the nose bridge. This is e.l.f. contour palette, and I always use a mix of both, this warm brown and beige color. I'm doing circular motions and going up. Now let's focus the same shade over the forehead, but I'm not going to do anything crazy. Let's do a tiny bit over the tip of the nose. That's pretty much it. I want to use beige eyeshadow palette. This one is super old. You can use any blushes you have. This palette is my favorite in particular because it has a row of blushes. I want to mix maybe this peachy color with a pink color. And for this matter, I'm using an angle brush. Let's dip it on the back of the hand first and then place it on top. And I want to bring the color to the apples of my cheeks. Frankly speaking, I deleted the footage. I had Britney Spears makeup look. And then I started cleaning my SD card, accidentally deleted all the footage that I pre-recorded, and now I have to refilm 3 videos in a row. That's gonna be crazy. We're going to my brows. Brows are not super important for 90s. Honestly, for quite a long period of time, people didn't really pay attention to their brows, but Britney has nice shape, in my opinion. Something that I don't have personally. That is the main reason why I'm going to show you my regular routine that I do every single time. It's pretty similar to Britney's, but with a little bit of twist. I have Essence Eyebrow Pencil. This is Soft Blonde 05. And we're gonna outline my natural shape. Fill in with the same brow pencil. My Guerlain mascara. This is brow mascara, by the way. Final step is going to be NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pencil. The color is taupe. I set my face with a fix and spray. This one's from Essence. Dabbed with a beauty blender a couple of times, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to do a little bit of highlighter. Maybe this gold highlighter would work because we're talking about 90s. We're going to use maybe that much on top of the cheekbones. Now we're moving to my eyes. NYX Eye Primer. Definitely, I need this stuff. I have 2 different eyeshadow palettes. The one that has no name, it has beautiful colors like this, and they're going to be perfect for this look. I have a little bit different palette. This one is from beige Cosmetics. It's Summer in St.Tropez. Well, this shade is super similar to this shade. And this one looks really close to this one. Let me try to work with probably this eyeshadow palette, but in case you have this one, playing around, we need some soft pink colors. We're going straight forward to my shimmers. I will use this color first. Always use protection with shimmers. It's really hard to take shimmers out of your complexion. That's why I use protection. You can bring the color up to your brow bone. Let's add a little bit of this shade. With James Charles eyeshadow palette and Morphe, it has the exact same shade I'm aiming for from Britney's photo. This is a combination of green and blue. I want to wipe my brush, flat brush, with any leftovers from a beauty blender. It has a lot of water. This way my shimmers are going to be really bright and the reflection is going to be amazing. Let's do more pink, like that. Mix 2 of these shades together. I want to blend them out, and I use vigorous motions to make sure that it's really well incorporated. I have Essence Pigment. This one is super, super old, but extremely pretty product. I always use my finger to transfer the pigment on top. Look at that. It's creams, 90s and early 2000s. I need black eye pencil. I'm going over my waterline, top lash line. You can blend out the black pencil on the top lash line. And I always go with a black eyeliner on top of black pencil. Black pencils, they leave some marks on top of my lids when I'm a little bit sweaty, or whenever, I don't know, I wear this makeup more than, 8 or 7 hours. I promise we're almost there. For the lower lid, has super pretty purple color, and I fell in love with this makeup look because of this purple. I used in my deleted video, this James Charles palette color. It is super pretty purple. But I was thinking maybe I can combine both of the colors from different palettes. If you have only this shade, that's totally fine. Go ahead and use one color. If you have something similar like this, use a combination of both. Looks gorgeous. As always, I use loose powder underneath my eyes. I love Crazy Volume Mascara. This one is from Essence. But for the bottom lashes, it's better to use waterproof Essence mascara. So I'm using this Eveline Beige Sensation 15. And I will not overline my lips. It's not a thing for 90s and early 2000s. This is the same color lip pencil from the same brand. And I need the lip gloss on top. This is new Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss. I used to have Shine lip gloss from Essence, but I guess this one will do as well. No, it is not the same formula. Honestly, the previous lip gloss that I used to have from Essence, it was so pretty and glossy. This one is like super soft. Okay guys, and this is the final result. I love this look. It's pretty, really elegant, but spicy at the same time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you love this look, will you recreate this look or will you not recreate this one? I'm gonna see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye bye.